Don't give up, 'cause you have friends. Don't give up, you still have us. Don't give up, 'cause somewhere there's a place where we belong. Rest your head, you worry too much. It's gonna be alright when times get rough. BOOZHOO, Wally Bear. You can't fall back on us and Wally Bear and MJ. Don't give up. Please don't give up. How you doing, BOOZHOO? Got to walk out of here. Me no giga shape. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, Gakina Awia. Good morning, everybody. How are you? Anin, AJAIN, how are you? How are yous? Oh, y'all. Don't give up. Please don't give up. It's Friday. Nano Geisha Good. The 5th day. And happy St. Patrick's Day, you bunch of hopeless drunks. It's St. Patrick's Day. Oh, let's all celebrate. St. Patrick's Day. Long live the memory of St. Patrick. Where's my coffee cup? To St. Patrick, may your memory and spirit live long. Today we honor the great Saint Patrick. And you go, who now? I don't remember a Patrick in the Bible. Who is this Saint Patrick you speak of? Oh, well, he's the patron saint of Alcoholics Anonymous. No. I don't know who St. Patrick is. I just know that it's a big day for the Irish, and it's a big day for alcoholics. They like to go out and get drunk, get all squaby, giwa squaby. Hey, Ben's here. Benny and the Jets. Oh, well, doodle-doo. Benny Leisure. How you doing, BOOZHOO DJ? Welcome to the show. I was going to put out my tobacco, say a little prayer for the St. Patrick's Day. Whatever. Today's St. Patrick's Day celebration. Welcome to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO. The St. Patrick's Day party. See, it's green. I'm not wearing green, but I got a green sign. Welcome back to the show. Welcome back. BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO by Michael Lyons. My name is Natasha. Natasha Nindishanakaz. Oh, here it comes. The sunrise. Sunrise in Ojibwe. Mukaam. Mukaam. Sunrise. Oh, just pretty. If you want to say sunset, that's Bungishimo. Bungishimo. Sunset. But Mukaam is the sunrise. And on today's sunrise, You guys probably already know this. I got the impression that there's a lot of worldly people that watch our show. But if you're a kid and stumble onto the show, and you might be asking yourself, what's up with the show? Well, in Ojibwe, we teach Ojibwe language and stuff like that. But sometimes we also talk about stuff. Now, there's an organization back in the days of the grandfathers, when people started drinking and carrying on, and some people had a real problem. They had to quit drinking, and they would go to Alcoholics Anonymous. Well, you don't have to go to Alcoholics Anonymous for this, but there was kind of a famous prayer called the Serenity Prayer. And in English is, God grant me the serenity to accept the things I cannot change, the courage to change the things I can, and the wisdom to know the difference. I'm going to put out a little tobacco, and I'm going to say the Serenity Prayer in Ojibwe. So, where did I do with it? Here we go. Watapana niwi asema gichimanadu. Accept my tobacco, Great Spirit. Daga we duk a wishin weweni. Chinana gura wendaman. Chiodapanaman inu ge gashki katusiwan. Chi anji suduyan. Chite apachite ayan. Chi anji suduyan. Ge gashki katuyan. Chite apachin na buakiyan. Chikinaman. Oh no. Ape inge. Amen. The Bungin Anima A. Bungin Anima A. The Serenity Prayer. The Peace Prayer. Yeah. I tell you, you're supposed to go out and put out your tobacco before the sun comes up. Sometimes people don't want to do that because they live in northern Minnesota and it's still like 0 degrees. I think it was 0 this morning in Bemidjigamug. It's nice here though. I don't even know where I am. Computer. Boop, boop, boop. Where am I? Boop, 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 boop. Part B? Boop, 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 boop. I don't understand the computer. Computer? Boop, 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 boop. Please end holodeck simulation sunrise thing. I think I'm done. Boop, 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 boop. Boop, boop. Thank you. Boop, boop. I'm just on the holodeck, you guys. It's freezing in Minnesota. I wish our sunrise was like that. But, yeah. I didn't feel like going out and, taking on the elements this morning when I said my morning prayer. Hey, Zachary Keenan's here. BOOZHOO, Zachary. What's going on? Zach, you Lego maniac. No. Oh, MJ's here. Is everyone wearing green to celebrate St. Patrick's Day? No, I don't have any green on. I just got hot pink. And gray. Oh, I suppose I should go upstairs. See what NanaBOOZHOO's up to. Boop, 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 boop. Beep, beep. Beep, beep. BOOZHOO. Hi, sweetie. Well, hey, where are you? I'm down in the holodeck. Oh, you ready to come upstairs? Yeah, can you teleport me? Yeah, sure, hang on. Let's see, there'll be 1 to teleport, right? Yep, just me. Okay, hang on. I mean, make it so. Oh, right. Roger that. Hey, welcome back. Oh, thank you so much. What's it out there? Oh, the holodeck was beautiful. I think I was in like New Mexico or somewhere. Oh, really? Yeah. Did you say a prayer? I said the serenity prayer for all the alcoholics who are going to be tempted tonight because it's St. Patrick's Day. Oh, yeah. You want to go out and get drunk? No. Come on, let's go out and drink some green beer and tear it up. I don't want to drink anymore. Yeah, me either. Man, there was a time though when there was just an excuse to go out and get drunk. It's so stupid. I know, this is that. I mean, a lot of people drink in holidays. I mean, it's not like nobody gets drunk at Christmas, but the whole point of St. Patrick's Day really is a couple of things. One, to get drunk. Two, to recreate just the most negative racial stereotype of Irish people. The fighting Irish? The fighting Irish! You know? It's almost as bad as the fighting Sioux. Hey, Michael! What are you doing here? Hey, Natasha, how are you? I'm doing great. Ladies and gentlemen, Michael Lyons, the rock star cartoonist. Hey, everyone. Welcome to the show. Yeah. Michael's got books for sale at Amazon.com. You should really read Little Cutie, A Teddy Bear's Vision Quest. This is my all-time favorite book. Even more than Corduroy? This is my second all-time favorite book. Well, this is a more in-depth than Corduroy. But yeah, you're right. Corduroy's my favorite book. But, well, so what else is going on? We got Dr. Fauci's online too. Oh, really? Let's get him on. Hey, Dr. Fauci, welcome back to the show. You're on the air. Hello, this is Sweetie, it's not Dr. Fauci, it's the Dalai Lama. Oh, sorry, I had the lines crossed. Hi, Dalai Lama. Welcome to the show. I'm sorry, I thought you were going to be Dr. Fauci. No, you have to that's what they call Yeah, sure. Our Ojibwe phrase or words of the day were sunrise, muka'am, wakaham, asabah. That's right. Or bungishimo, sunset. Yeah, that's right. No, I don't drink anymore, so I'm probably just going to stay in. What did he ask you? He wanted to know if we were going to go out and get drunk tonight and if we wanted to join him. Dalai Lama's going to go get drunk? Yeah, I guess. It's St. Patrick's Day, he says. Yeah, he's going down to the Bridges Cafe. Bridget's that bar? Yeah. He's in Bemidji? I guess so. Where are you staying? I thought he stayed at the Holiday Inn. Oh, right on. Hey. Welcome to town, Dalai Lama. Yeah. But no, I'm not going to go out tonight. We're just going to hang out here. I know, I'm no fun. So what's going on with you these days? Yeah, but I mean, it doesn't do anything. What did he ask you? Oh, he's talking about disseminating the sacred teachings and knowledge of the Tibetan Buddhism and how to live a peaceful life and meditation, yada yada. Yeah. And I was just trying to tell you, it doesn't do anything. Meditation? Yeah, I've tried it. It didn't do anything except made my legs fall asleep every time. Well, enlightenment. I mean, come on. Are you enlightened? Oh, yeah. What do you say? He said his future's so bright, he's got to wear shades. Okay. Listen, man, I gotta go. Well, we don't say goodbye. We say, I will see you again. Giga wabba min, mina wa. Yeah, you too, buddy. Giga wabba min, mina wa. Wow, what an honor. I know, huh? The Dalai Lama of Buddhism. I'm just glad he's trying to learn Ojibwe. Yeah. Hey, is Missy here? Yeah, she is. Hey, Cousin Missy, what's going on? Welcome back to the show. It's time to start the music. It's time to light the lights. It's time to get things started on a most sensational, inspirational, celebrational, muppetational. This is what we call the Muppet Show, baby. Baby, I want you. No. Anyway, is Dr. Fauci still on hold? Yeah, he's on line 2. Line 2, Dr. Fauci, welcome to the show. Ouchie Fauci is what I call him because of the vaccinations. That's a good one. Dr. Ouchie, welcome to the show.
Yes, hello, Natasha. It's me, Dr. Fauci. Have you gotten your booster shots?
Nope. I don't want to get an ouchie vaccination.
It's not anything to joke about. You should get your vaccinations. You should get your booster shot. Because you kill us all. I mean, I'm doing my damnedest to try to keep people alive. And, I know you're trying to make fun. You want to have a few laughs on your stupid little show. But listen, it ain't no joking matter. I created this pandemic, and now I'm just trying to clean it up.
You created the pandemic?
Well, don't say anything. A bat created it, all right? I was making some bat soup. I thought, hey, what if I, put a poison in this bat soup? I don't know what I was thinking. But then here we are. Now get a shot. You got to tell your viewers everyone's got to get a shot.
I'm not going to tell people to do that. I don't know what's in the shot.
Well, it's 100% effective. Climate scientists agree that I'm going to save the world.
I don't think you're going to save the world, Dr. Fauci. Hey, Dr. Fauci, how you doing?
Hey, NanaBOOZHOO, how are you?
Oh, excuse me, I'm doing pretty well.
Oh, yeah? Have you gotten your vaccination yet?
No.
You better get your vaccinations. You're going to kill us all.
I think we're going to be okay. We don't even leave the house that much.
Yeah.
How's everything else going? I thought you retired.
Yep, I retired. I'm going to go play golf.
You going to go golfing this afternoon?
Yep, I got to go golfing because I'm a retired guy now.
Oh, okay. What else do we know about Dr. Fauci?
Not much.
Are you enjoying retirement?
Yeah, I tell you, I'm getting a little bored.
You're bored?
Yeah, that's right. When I was a scientist, I was the most highest paid government employee, scientist, whatever, in the world.
Yeah, I know.
And then, I used to make money. I could torture some dogs and go, hey, this is for science. Science did that, torturing these dogs.
I know, I hate that about you.
But, ever since I retired, I can't torture dogs no more. So, I'm kind of bored.
Well, maybe you should take up like a musical instrument or something.
Yeah, I always wanted to play the guitar.
Really? What a shock.
Yeah, maybe I don't know. Maybe I'll learn the guitar and start a band. Or you think I'm too old to be in a band?
Yes?
No, I can still rock and roll. Nah, skitty, pop, pop, pop.
Yeah, okay. Listen, man, I gotta go.
All right. Hey, am I saying this right?
What's that?
Gigawabamin, Minawa.
Yeah, Gigawabamin, Minawa. Gigawabamin, Minawa there, Dr. Fauci.
Yeah, Gigawabamin, Minawa, Nanaboozhoo. And get a shot. You're going to kill us all.
No. Dr. Fauci. Well, I think there's probably a lot of dogs who are grateful that he's not working anymore.
Yeah.
So, what can I say? Hey, Nancy Schmancy's back. Hey, bonjour, Nancy Schmancy. Bonjour. She says, Mino Giga Jabe. Kakira Awia. Good morning, everybody. And Colleen Bunnywell. Bunnywell. Well, bless my heart. Bless your heart. Bless my heart. Yeah. God, Colleen, welcome to the show. Play on, Gigawabamin Minwa. See you later. See you again. Hush, hush, keep it down now. The voices carry. Hush, hush, she sings out just loud. Keep it down now. So, what do you think, baby doll?
What do I think about what?
Are you and Michael going to play your song for the BOOZHOO crew?
The classic Rush tune?
Yeah.
I was thinking about it.
Well, unless there's something I want to share. I don't think so.
You want to give us an intro?
Sure. So, a few months ago, we got a good deal on a used spaceship. And, occasionally we like to take little joyrides in our spaceship. And occasionally, Nanaboozhoo and Michael Lyons will take a joyride and sing a song from Rush. This is, what's this called?
Fly By Night.
Fly By Night by Rush. And we just got demonetized.
Yeah, I know.
And we're not gonna get demonetized because we're playing a cover song. So give us a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe if you like this song, which I love this song. Fly by night away from here. Yeah, yeah.
All right, and we're off. BOOZHOO, welcome back to the show. Welcome back to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO. Oh, wow. We're really up here now.
Why try? Oh no, why? This feeling inside me says it's time I was gone. Clear head, new life ahead. It's time I was king and not just one more pawn. Fly by night away from here. Change my life again. Fly by night, goodbye my dear. My ship isn't coming and I just can't pretend. Moonrise, thoughtful eyes, staring back at me from the window beside. No fright or hindsight, leaving behind that empty feeling inside. Fly by night away from here, change my life again. Fly by night, goodbye my dear. My ship isn't coming and I just can't pretend. Start a new chapter. I'll find what I'm after. It's changing every day. Change of the seasons, enough of a reason to want to get away. Quiet and pensive, my thoughts apprehensive, the hours drift away. Leaving my homeland, playing a lone hand, my life begins today. Fly by night, away from here, change my life again. Fly by night, goodbye my dear. My ship isn't coming and I just can't pretend. My ship isn't coming and I just can't pretend. My ship isn't coming and I just can't pretend. Oh, ladies and gentlemen, on the guitar, Michael Lyons. Thanks. All right. Let's see then. How do we get back home? Well, isn't this nice? I knew it would be spring soon enough. You know, it was winter for a long time. Here comes the sun, noo-noo-noo. Here comes the sun, and I say, it's all right. Just here on an old country road. Country road, take me home to the place. Oh, wow. Is that an eagle? I think I just saw a Migazy. Migazy, eagle. Some people put out tobacco every time they see an eagle. Oh, wow. Some people put out tobacco when they go fishing. They'll sprinkle a little tobacco in the water. And they'll be like, this is for good fishing. I don't know. Maybe it works. A lot of Indians, after they shoot a deer or something, they'll sprinkle some tobacco on a deer. And they'll say, Miigwech, Wawashigeshi. Thank you, deer. The old timers, they think of hunting like, oh, the deer offered up themselves. So I offer some tobacco to their spirit, so the spirit has a good journey. But the irony is, when a deer dies, they go to the happy hunting grounds and they get hunted all over again. It's a vicious circle. They die, they go to the happy hunting grounds, they get shot, they die there, they reincarnate as another deer, they get shot again, and then they go back up, get shot again. It's back and forth. Deer are the most miserable animal creature in the forest. That's why they're known as nature's miserable creature in the forest. I don't think they're known as that. Seems like a long time ago when the earth looked like this. Remember the blue sky, you guys? It really is 0 in Minnesota. Oh no, it warmed up to 2 degrees above 0. But here in our beautiful holodeck is perpetual summer. You can't even tell the difference. I can feel the breeze on my face. I can feel the warm air. The sun on my skin. I'm ready to say a prayer. BOOZHOO, get your money do. Oh, wow. Thank you for your crazy clouds, which change every 3.5 minutes. Hello, Great Spirit. BOOZHOO Gichimanadu. Daga Odapanan Niwi Asema. Please accept my tobacco. Miigwech. Gagige. No, Miigwech Gaiji Gagige. Miigwech Gagige Gaiji Chikean Nungom. I remember how to do it when I can't read it now. Thank you for everything that you do today. Miigwech Gaiji Bamadazian. Thank you for this life. Miigwech Gagige Niwi Gashkenda Moen. Thank you for healing my sadness. Thank you for carrying me on the beach there when there's just the 2 footprints in the sand like that. Remember that? When Jesus has to throw you over his shoulder and fireman carry through the hard times. 2 footprints in the sand. BOOZHOO Migazi. Now Migazi is not God, you guys. A lot of people get that confused. They're like, oh, Miigwech Gichimanadu when they see an eagle. Some people go, oh yeah, well he represents the Great Spirit. It's like, what doesn't represent the Great Spirit? Everything does. And that everything is not him. It's just a bird. He also represents, the America. Oh, he represents the United States of America. And money. And Freemasonry. And whatever. This is just a symbol. But Miigwech Gichimanadu for the show. Thank you for taking care of us. Thank you for the super chats. Thank you for the Patreon supporters. Thank you for the GoFundMe or the GoFundMe contributor Mary Miigwech. Really appreciate your contribution yesterday. I don't even know if you watched the show. But if you do, we really appreciate the support. Missy Charlie, Cousin Missy, thank you for all the support Cousin Missy's given us over the years. Thank you for our little house. Thank you for my health. Thank you for the health of my fat black cat. He threw up this morning. He was eating too fast, I think. So I'm gonna fast. I'm gonna let him fast for a little while. I saw an eagle the other day. It had black and white on it. I thought it was a spiritual thing. It was so different. Flew over my car. Hikes. I wonder. Was it that one? He's circling. Black and white on it. Interesting. I mean, they all have white on them. Actually, they all have black and white when you think about it. Really, really dark brown and white. But yeah, I think it was a sign. Whenever I've wondered if it was a sign, it was usually a sign. You got to ask yourself, what were you thinking about right at that moment? What was going on that the Creator might have wanted to grab your attention for a second? Make you pause and notice, what's up? By the way, Michael. Oh, Michael's back at the house. Caught the show late last week. You mentioned we had very few authors. True, but you missed a good one, the best one. Richard Wagamesi. How could I forget Richard Wagamesi? He was the best one. Everybody, go out and Google Richard Wagamesi right now and then read his book. I'm sorry, I never heard of him. But I never heard of most writers. Are you sure it was an eagle, Zachary? Asked Missy. Could have been a buzzard. Could have been an owl. Or a hawk. No, I'm not sure it was. It was a giant bird of prey in central Maine. Yeah, birds are weird. There definitely seemed to be a connection between birds and the spirit world. Oh, here's something I learned really interesting. I could never quite... I should have used the words today. In fact, we have them. We don't. So, Gitchi Manadu, great spirit, right? Manadu, spirit. Lots of times we talk about spirits and the soul and the creator, God, and human beings and stuff like that. And I finally heard somebody explain the difference between the soul and the spirit in a way I finally understood. So you know how people, everything in the Anishinaabe culture, in the medicine wheel, is in fours. But then people always get weird when they go, well, body, mind, spirit. Wait, what? Body, mind, spirit. What's the fourth one? Oh, your emotions. Oh, your, your thoughts or whatever, your idea, No, that's mind. Well, here's how it works. So there's the body. Every human being is three things. Your body. Your hair, your skin, your senses, smelling, tasting, seeing, hearing. All the physical stuff is one part of who you are. The skin suit you walk around in. Then there's your soul. Your soul, jibe, is not your spirit. Your soul is your mind, your thoughts, your emotions, and your will. The stuff that goes on inside the body, but is not physical. So you smell something, and then you have a memory. That memory resides in your soul. It might take your brain to do something about it, but that's why we say, oh, this music has soul in it. When it has like your emotions, your will, your agenda, your desire, emotions, desire, non-physical parts of who you are, your personality, love, all the feelings, anything. Then you go one deeper, and there's your spirit. Your spirit is the connection to God, the Great Spirit. There's the Great Spirit, Kichimanadu, and then there's the Little Spirit, Jesus, what is it? Bungi Manadu, the Little Spirit. We are little spirits that have a connection to Great Spirit if we accept it, if it's not blocked. A lot of people, they have a spirit, but the spirit is not connected to the Great Spirit. When your spirit is, when you're walking with God, when you are, it's not enlightened, but when you have that connection, that's where inspiration comes from. That's where, that your spirituality is connected to the Great Spirit. Now you can still have a soul without having a good spirit. There's a lot of soul in, pretty wicked music. Because it still has your emotions and your desire and expressing the soul. You can have soul and a lot of stuff, but for it to be truly spiritual, that's a layer deeper. Body, soul, spirit. I finally figured that out. Or I didn't figure out anything. Somebody told me. I learned it watching the computer. Computer. Boop, boop, boop. I mean, I wish I was watching a video on the computer, but anyway. Hey, computer. Boop, boop. Please end simulation of beautiful country road, fields, spring, summer day. I'm ready to go back upstairs. Boop, 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 boop. Miigwech. Boop, boop. Computer. Boop, boop. Please call Natasha. Boop, boop. Beep, beep. Beep, beep. BOOZHOO. Hi, sweetie. Oh, you ready to come upstairs? Yep. All right. When to teleport from the holodeck? Make it so, number one. Nah. So here we are, drifting on an open sea. Here we are, and then again we know, for all we know. Man, it's miserable outside. I know, it's going to snow all day again. It's all gray and miserable. Oh, happy Saint Valentine. Saint Valentine's, listen to me. Happy Valentine's Day. No, happy St. Patrick's Day. Happy St. Patrick's Day, sweetie. Today I would like to tell the story of St. Patrick. Really? You know the story of St. Patrick? I sure do. You see, sweetie, back in the days of the grandfathers, there was a man from Ireland. Yeah? His name was Patrick. No, wait. It was Juicy Smollett. Juicy Smollett? Yeah. Is he online too? He actually is. You want to patch him through? Sure do. Juicy, you ready to go on? I'm just kidding you guys. I don't know the story. But we got Juicy Smollett is on the line. Okay, it's on line too, sweetie. Juicy, welcome back to the show. You're on the air. Happy St. It's going to be okay. I know. Happy St. Patrick's Day. BOOZHOO. Happy St. Patrick's Day, Juicy. How you doing? Those guys, they said those racist guys who beat me up and put a noose around my neck and knocked my submarine sandwich out of my hands. Oh, those two good-looking black friends of yours from Nigeria, the Nigerian brothers or whatever. Yeah, they're going on TV. They're saying I made up the whole thing. Yeah, everybody knows you made up the whole thing. No, that's not true. That's not true. If I'm lying, that's BOOZHOO. Then you're like punching a fist in the whole history of oppression of gay people. Oh, black people. It's gonna be okay, dude. No. I don't want to go to jail. Yeah, what happened to that? How come you're not in jail? They let me out because I'm a black Tupac. I'm a black gay. Oh, yeah, I'm a gay Tupac. I'm the gay Tupac. Well, I'm pretty sure Tupac was gay too, actually. I mean, look into it. No. They said I lied. I know. Listen, dude, what do you want? I want to learn the Ojibwe word of the day. How are you? How do you say, how are you in Ojibwe? I just want to know that much. All right, hang on. If you want to say, how are you in Ojibwe, Juicy, you say, Anin, Eji Ayan. Anin, Eji Ayan. How are you? Oh, me? I'm good. Namino Eya Miigwech. I'm good, thank you. Anin, Eji Ayan. How are you? I'm doing terribly. Everybody thinks I'm a liar. And I'm not. I fought back. I want every little gay kid to know that I fought back. I fought back. Listen, I gotta go. No, I can't go back. Here's one more phrase, Juicy. How do you say goodbye? We don't say goodbye. We say I will see you again. Gigawabamin. Min. Minawa. Gigawabamin. Min. Minawa. Yikes. Well, he's an actor. They're emotional. Hey, we get a super chat? Yeah, we sure did. All right. Red Z. Thank you so much. Red Z, you're the best. Miigwech. Wherein the money? I'm feeling sunny. We got a lot of what it takes to get along. Junia, sweetie. Junia. Junia money. What? So, today, yeah, did you hear about that? The Nigerian brothers have done an interview, and I haven't watched the interview yet. I bet it's hilarious. Yeah, I heard that like the day before they acted it out and they got stoned together and stuff. Yeah, I think Juicy might have been dating one of them. Maybe he's dating both of them. Ugh. But they're brothers. Are they brothers? I thought they were brothers. I don't know. Anyway. So, that's back in the news. What else is in the news these days? Oh, let's see. War in Russia and Ukraine. War in wherever. Yeah, apparently we're getting deeper into that. Snow in the Northland, in the hinterland. The hinterland, we're gonna sail to the hinterland. It's a far away. Anyway, so today, Nanogijagud, 5th day, Friday, St. Patrick's Day. We gave up booze 6-7 years ago. So we're no fun. I know. And, you know, I talked like, oh, you know, I quit drinking, so therefore I will not be going out to St. Patrick's Day celebrations tonight. But the reality is, even if we were still drinking, I wouldn't be going out because I don't have any friends. You got me, sweetie, and you got Michael. Yeah, great. What? I mean, when we quit drinking, we kind of lost all our beer drinking buddies. It's true. We had more friends when we were drinking. Yeah. That is the one thing. If I can give any advice. Okay, here. Time now for Uncle NanaBOOZHOO's advice to... So you think you're thinking about quitting drinking. What to expect if you quit drinking alcohol? From a former drunk. Would you call yourself an alcoholic? Well, by my definition now, yeah. When I was an alcoholic, no. I was just a social, practical, regular drinker. But I would say, I didn't really overdo it. Overdo it, But yeah, it was part of my life. But now I think anybody who drinks at all is an alcoholic. Yeah. So you're thinking about quitting drinking. What do you think a person should be ready to... What can they expect, sweetie? What? It's your segment. What did you expect? It wasn't that big of a deal, tell you the truth. It's not that big of a deal. How about that? Everyone knows these horror stories of quitting drinking and people going through the shakes and their that it took a tremendous act of will. And, there's these, you got your AA meetings and people got to go to treatment and all that stuff. For us, it wasn't that big of a deal because we were so, I know for me, here's one thing you can expect. Your health will improve. I lost 20 pounds and I stopped feeling so sick all the time. When I started to recover from all the damage I was doing to myself on a regular basis, it motivated me not to drink anymore. I had Lyme's disease, and when I would drink, I would get just really bad hangovers. It'd last all day, 2 days sometimes. I'd start getting hungover an hour after I had a glass of wine or something. So it wasn't that tough. Occasionally I would get the urge, but because we didn't have any beer in the house and the band broke up shortly after that, it was kind of a drag when we were in the band. This gets confusing. Playing in bars and not drinking. That was the other thing. We lost all our friends when we quit drinking because, they're at the bars all the time. If you're not going to go visit them there, you're just not going to see them. But I also learned I didn't want to be around drunk people. I wasn't having any fun. Not just not drinking. I didn't enjoy being with drinkers. The loud, unfunny, obnoxious, You can tolerate it when you're drunk too. So you can experience better health. You're going to lose all your friends, but you're going to be okay with losing the friends. There's 3 things. Because your friends are going to appear stupid. You're going to realize that your friends were just people to drink with anyway. You're not going to miss. I don't remember any really great conversations that took place in the bars when I was drinking with all my friends. That's true. I have good memories that sometimes have drinking in them. But the conversations of the drinking times, mostly, 95% of it was drivel, pointless, dumb talk. So that'll help you lose your drunk friends, but you won't miss them. Sorry, drunk friends, who watch the show. But you're hard to hang out, and nobody really wants to be socializing at midnight, 1 o'clock, 2 in the morning, unless you're drunk. In the world and life, normal people not drunk, want to be asleep at midnight. I want to be asleep at 9 these days, apparently. Yeah, I know. I can't even stay up past 9 these days. Health will improve. You lose weight, lose your friends. You save money. You'll have a little more money every month. And here's the best thing about quitting drinking. It gives you something to look down your nose at other people for. It's like, there's so few things in this world one go, oh, no. I don't do that thing that you're doing. But whatever. Everything else in this world, I can't judge anybody. It's like, yeah, me too, buddy. And this has been Uncle NanaBOOZHOO's What to Expect When You Quit. Moment of what to expect. Anyway. Anybody else on the line, sweetie? No, I don't think so. I think that's it. All right. What do you think, Michael? What do you think about what? I don't know. What do we got going on today? We still need to do laundry. Yeah, I know. And make a post office run. Yeah. The coffee mugs are going out to patrons, though. We just got a message from Monkey Loose. Oh, yeah. Hey, Monkey Loose. Miigwech. Monkey Loose gave us sent us a... If you sign up on Patreon, for so much a month, you get one book. For $20 a month, you get another book and a cup with our pictures on it. But it goes directly from the Patreon Teespring people to the people who sign up. You know, we don't mail it out from here. And he wrote in and said, yeah, I got my mug. All safe and sound. Everything's great. I was like, good. The machine's in motion. So, sign up on Patreon. Links are in the description. You can get a copy of Dog and Lyons, a children's picture book by Michael Lyons, the rockstar cartoonist. Counting to 10 in Ojibwe-Moan, Dog speaks English. Ma'ingan, which means wolf, he speaks Ojibwe. And he learned some, animal names, what have you. What have you? My turbine is dirty. Can you wash it for me, NanaBOOZHOO? Your turbine's dirty. Yeah, send it over. What's a turbine? A turbine? You like on a farm? No, I think a turban is what terrorists wear. No, it's what Islamic guys wear. Oh, yeah, and Islamic guys. Not all Islamics are terrorists. Just most of them. And all it takes is most of them. Shut up! No, I'm just kidding, you guys. Turban. Yeah, a turban. Yeah, can we throw Wally Bear's turban in with the... I don't separate lights from darks, though. Just so you know. I wash everything in cold. We're supposed to wash our clothes in hot water. Won't that make everything fade? I think so, but that's what kills germs. Oh, really? Hot water kills germs? Yep. All right, we're going to be washing all our clothes without separating whites from darks in hot water. Let's just make everything gray. Yeah. Oh, God. Living in Cass Lake can be dangerous sometimes. Yeah, tell me about it. I steer clear. When I'm driving west, if I have to get to Bena, I'll head south down, 64? Cut through LaPorte, go through Walker, Reamer, and then come up around, what's that called? Boy River? Because I'm not driving through Cass Lake. Forget it, man. There are tourists in that town. And res dogs. I'm afraid of the res dogs. Are you? Yeah, a little bit. Sunny day. I'm off to work tomorrow. Looking forward to another 11 a.m. class. 11 a.m. We got to go on 11 now? Well, the plan was to go on at 9 every day. Oh, yeah. What time are we going today? At 8. Because the experiment, by the way, maybe you should talk about this. Yeah. No, nobody's coming to the morning shows. Oh, really? Yeah. How many people are here? 16. Well, 16 something. Yeah. Yeah, our night shows, we get like 35 people. That's over twice as many. Well, it's exactly twice as many. No, you're right. It's over. Okay. I'm really sorry, you guys. We might be going back to Indian time. We need to grow this channel. And our nighttime shows, we get more people watching. It's just... What do you think, Michael? Yeah, we need to do a nighttime show. Hey, Surrealist is here. Hey, BOOZHOO, Surrealist! BOOZHOO, Surrealist. Haven't seen you in a while. Yeah. And you know who else we haven't seen? This is the first time we've seen Surrealist in a while. And we haven't even seen a couple of people. We haven't seen Jessica Waboos. Jessica Wabooz has been missing. I think she works in the morning or something. Where has Sequoia Hummingbird been? Haven't seen Sequoia in weeks. Yeah. Maybe they can only watch at night. Yeah. Well, we might be coming on at night tonight. And I know I like the morning shows, but it seems like more people can watch at night. You want to pull out the piano tonight? We could do some piano songs tonight. Okay. What do you think, Michael? Yeah, let's do a night show. All right. We're going to come on again tonight. And I don't know what time. I don't want to say what time because, because culturally we're on Indian time. And I just can't break free. We're going to come on sometime tonight, probably 7 or 8-ish. MJ's down. Okay. MJ says an evening show would be great. Okay. We'll do a couple of songs and maybe we can even talk about some deep stuff. What's the topic tonight, sweetie? Tonight we're going to talk about, hey, I could give Auntie Natasha's wisdom teaching how to beat depression and get rich quick. How to beat depression and get rich quick. But you're not rich. And I'm kind of depressed. I'm not saying I've done it. These are just things I know you're supposed to do. Oh, okay. Michael, you want to add anything? No, that's good. All right, you guys. Hey, tune in again tonight for a night of music, comedy, current events, celebrity call-ins, whatever. Miigwech Bizendawiyeg. Thank you for listening. Dash Miigwech Ganawabiyeg. And thank you for watching our little live stream podcast we like to call BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO. Podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am NANABOOZHOO. This is Natasha. Miigwech Kakina Awiya. Thank you, everybody. Michael Lyons, rockstar cartoonist. Hey, thanks a lot, everyone. We'll see you tonight. I will see you again. Gigawabamin. Minowa. Yeah, it feels like we needed to have another song right there. Yeah, tonight we'll have some songs. Okay, see you tonight.